No, no, no. You guys ready? You ready? You ready? Chaos, Ginger. Okay. Ah! Oh, they're not there. No, where is she? Oh, oh. Oh no, I think he found her. Did he find her? He's not sure, but Raven thinks so. Oh, maybe he did. Oh, he did. Yay.
Very excited.
He's in there, I guess.